Well, Ali here keeps trying to jump her parents, and so I decided to sit her on this side of my head so that my head is in the way of getting to them. You've been sat quite comfy for a few minutes now. I have to listen to the radio now because they because of the time of year it is. There's a lot of fireworks going off over here in the UK. So I've got to have something on to drown out any noise from outside, don't I? Eh? You're getting ready to leave. Yep. Look. Come on, sweetie. I'm going to catch you no matter where you go. Whoa! She completely fell right over the phone then. Come on, sweetie. Up my hand. Come on. Oh, there we go. You try and sit back on my shoulder again, babe, okay? That's it, you see there. Just, how can I get back here? Right there. Move my head over here so you don't see your parents. Oh, oh. Oh. Down the other way. Because basically she's there and her parents are just there and it drives them nuts, it does. Okay guys, I'm going to stop them now.